You see a football kicked from the penalty spot. It travels 8 meters forward and 6 meters to the right. How do we describe this movement mathematically? A vector is a quantity with both magnitude and direction. We can write it in coordinate form like 3, 4, or in component form like 3i plus 4j. The I represents horizontal movement along the x-axis. The j represents vertical movement along the y-axis. Think of I as east-west, j as north-south. To convert, coordinate a, b becomes a times I plus b times j. The first number multiplies I, the second multiplies j. Example 1. Convert coordinate 5, 3 to component form. Take the first number 5, multiply by I. Take the second number 3, multiply by j. Answer: 5i plus 3j. Example 1. Reverse. Convert negative 4i plus 7j to coordinate form. The coefficient of I is negative 4, coefficient of j is 7. Answer: coordinate, minus 4, 7. Example 2. Convert 8, negative 5 to component form. First number is 8, so 8i. Second number is negative 5, so negative 5j or minus 5j. Final answer: 8i minus 5j. Example 2. Harder. Convert 6i plus 0j to coordinates. Coefficient of I is 6, coefficient of j is 0. Answer: 6, 0. This vector lies on the x-axis only. Common exam mistake. Students swap the numbers. Remember, coordinate 3, 5 means 3i plus 5j, not 5i plus 3j. First number goes with I, second with j. Memory aid. First number marries I, second number marries j. Or think fi, first goes with I. In exams, always check your order twice. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to access full courses and practice questions. Keep learning.